Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Let's learn the word meanings of these two words, stationery and stationery. You see, these two words are very confusing and we always forget the correct meaning of these two words. Let's learn the uses of these two words. Stationery, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. This word is a noun and the meaning of this word is the things needed for writing. The things needed for writing such as paper, pens, pencils and envelopes. So I can make a sentence with this word stationery. Let's know the example. You see, I got these markers. I got these markers at the stationery store. I got these markers at the stationery store. On the other hand, the word is stationery and the spelling you see, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y. Here is A-N-A-R-Y and the word is an adjective. The word is an adjective and the meaning of this word is not moving or not changing. Not moving or not changing. For example, a stationary car or a stationary train. Thank you very much. Like, share and comment on my video.